Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into CoPilot Chat, Microsoft's AI-powered assistant. It's changing how we work and create. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or just curious about AI, this tool is designed to help you be more effective and creative. So what do you want to ask? What does CoPilot do? Or what can it do? It can answer complex questions with detailed responses, draft documents, emails, and presentations, summarize meetings, and provide insights. It can also assist with creative brainstorming. Imagine having an AI assist helps you brainstorm ideas, write emails, and even summarize meetings, all in real time. Oh, Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is definitely a game changer. It's unlike traditional chatbots. Copilot Chat integrates with Microsoft 365, making it smarter and more context aware. It doesn't just generate responses, it understands our workflows and help optimize productivity. Sounds like a great tool, huh? It can definitely help you towards effectively working on different projects, planning out certain tasks, and more. Now that you know more about Microsoft Copilot, drop a comment below on how you'd use it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI powered tips. Hope you have a great one.